It was a stormy Saturday afternoon in Willow Hill, and Tara was stuck indoors. She tapped her pencil and sighed. "I'm so bored," she groaned. Zane flopped on the carpet like a sleepy lizard. "Me too." Just then, Grandma Lulu shuffled into the room with a twinkle in her eyes. Grandma Lulu carried a very large, glowing book under her arm. "I think it's time," she said mysteriously, "for a magical journey." Tara and Zane sat up. "Where are we going?" they asked. "Everywhere." Grandma Lulu smiled. She opened the book, and poof, a cloud of sparkly smoke rose. Out came Whispurr, the floating, talking cat. "Hop in." Whispurr purred, forming a cloud-shaped boat. "Let's visit stories from all around the world." Chapter 1, A Festival in India with a Shimmer. They landed in a colorful Indian village. Children were tossing bright powders in the air. "It's Holi," a girl named Priya said. "We celebrate with color, music, and sweets." Zane giggled as pink dust puffed onto his nose. Tara danced with Priya while drums played. They tasted gulab jamun and learned a friendship song in Hindi. Chapter 2, A Japanese Lantern Night. Whoosh! The storybook swirled again, and they arrived in a quiet Japanese village glowing with lanterns. A boy named Hiro handed them paper and brushes. "We write our wishes and float them down the river," he said. Tara wrote, "May everyone feel loved." Zane drew a superhero eating noodles. They watched as lanterns floated like fireflies across the water. "Peaceful," Whispurr whispered. Chapter 3, A South African Drum Circle. Boom ba boom. They appeared in a sunny clearing where children were drumming in rhythm. "This is how we tell stories," said Thandi, a bubbly girl. They joined the drum circle and danced. Tara learned about animals of the savannah, while Zane chased a carved wooden zebra. They sang songs in Zulu, and the sky sparkled with stars. Chapter 4, A Mexican Kitchen Fiesta. Next, the book whisked them to a warm, busy kitchen in Mexico. "Hola," said Diego, offering them aprons. "We're making tacos and pan dulce." Tara chopped veggies. Zane tried spinning dough, but it flew like a frisbee. They learned about Dia de los Muertos and how people remember their ancestors with joy, music, and food. Chapter 5, A First Nations Story. Fire for the final stop. They sat by a fire in the forest of Canada, where Nokomis, a wise elder, shared a story. "Long ago," she began, "the stars were placed by the animals of the sky. They listened quietly to the tale of courage and kindness. They learned that stories are sacred and powerful gifts." Back to Willow Hill. As the book gently closed, Tara and Zane floated back home. Whispurr yawned and curled up in the book's spine. "Did we really go everywhere?" Zane asked sleepily. "Everywhere a story can take you," Grandma Lulu smiled. Tara beamed. "Let's do it again tomorrow." Grandma winked. The book is always ready for curious hearts. Moral: the world is full of colors, stories, and songs. When we listen and learn about others, we become wiser, kinder, and more connected. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.